Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and while that other video was loading on this Windowpaner, I have trouble pronouncing that, like pane of glass. I was playing around with the guidelines, and you can do this in Corel, but not this fast. So we need a shape, so we're gonna just double click on the rectangle tool. Put a rectangle and that opens it up. So my laser bed is 40 by 28 or my page is for drawing. I don't want any margins. I want it 40 by 28 and I'm actually gonna have it delete the rectangle after it's through. Now I have guidelines off, but there's guidelines on. The other day somebody did send me a file that they were using the grid, which I can't stand. And if you type in, or if you have in guidelines, snap to guidelines, you could draw, these are 1-inch squares, and just that quick, you can have it snap to guidelines and draw, if you were gonna make a puzzle or something like that, and 1 inch apart, and then turn the guidelines off, and there's that part. So I'm going to leave a link again to this macro that's free from our friend Eskimo. And I call him our friend because I've never met the man, but he is a vast of knowledge and does this for the community. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.